In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Heatmap on Tradingview. This tool gives you a fast, visual snapshot of market performance, making it easy to spot winning and lagging areas at a glance. Start by heading to the Tradingview website. In the top menu, click Products. Choose Screeners, and under the Heatmap section select the category you want to explore. Stocks, ETFs, or crypto coins. The page will load a grid of color-coded boxes, each box representing an instrument. Here is how to read what you see. Green means the asset is up, red means it's down. Darker shades amplify the intensity. Darker green for stronger gains, darker red for bigger losses. Box size matters too. Larger boxes typically represent bigger companies by market capitalization, or in some cases higher volume or assets under management. The default layout groups instruments by sector, so you can instantly see if, for example, technology is broadly green while energy is mixed or red. You can tailor the view to your needs. At the top left, change the source to focus on a specific market or index, such as the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq 100. Use filters to narrow by exchange or sector, which is handy if you only care about one market or industry. Adjust the time frame to switch between daily, weekly, or monthly performance to understand whether a move is short-term noise or part of a longer trend. Next, customize what the colors and sizes represent. By default, size often reflects market cap, but you can set colors or sizes to track different metrics, like percent change for momentum, price to earnings, P/E ratio for valuation, or dividend yield for income focus. This lets you turn the heat map into a valuation map, a yield map, or a momentum map with just a couple of clicks, helping you align the display with your goals. To analyze individual names, hover over any tile. A quick tooltip shows the ticker, latest price, and percent change. When you are ready to dig deeper, click the box to open a quick view panel. There, you can see more detailed price performance, browse related news, and access technical charts without leaving the heat map. It's a smooth way to move from broad market context to a specific instrument's details. That's all to it.